Milwaukee Tools is an excellent choice for beginners. Renowned for its nothing but heavy duty motto, the brand offers a diverse range of power tools, including essentials like drills, drivers, saws, and more. In today's video, we have made a list of 15 Milwaukee tools friendly for beginners, so let's dive right in. First up, the M18 Fuel half-inch high-torque impact wrench with pin detent is a powerhouse in the realm of impact tools. Delivering a formidable fastening torque in a compact 206mm size, it provides exceptional power while allowing access to tight spaces. The inclusion of a pin detent ensures secure and quick socket changes during operations. This high-torque impact wrench is equipped with a versatile 4-mode drive control feature, allowing users to adjust the speed and power settings based on the specific task at hand. Whether you need precision in delicate applications or brute force for heavy-duty tasks, this tool adapts to your needs. For those looking to make a wise investment in a reliable and robust impact wrench, this tool stands out as a top-tier choice.
Did you know that 72% of visitors are more likely to make their purchases soon after watching a product video? This makes it necessary to have a product demonstration or promo video for showcasing your product's potential values and benefits. At Product Video Studio, we are equipped with camera gear, tools, and most importantly, expertise to make your video captivating and engaging. Just send your products and we'll handle the rest. Contact us today to create something amazing together.
The M12 Paint and Detailing Color Match Light is a versatile tool designed for precision in paint and detailing work. With a CRI of 98+, it replicates natural sunlight, providing accurate color representation for detailed work. Boasting 1000 lumens, this light source is ideal for illuminating metallic surfaces and identifying imperfections like scratches in paint. It offers 5 color temperatures and 3 brightness modes, providing flexibility and control over the lighting conditions for different tasks. With a runtime of up to 6 hours on high, the M12 Color Match Light ensures extended use on a single charge. Equipped with a strong magnet for easy storage and a chemical-resistant build for durability in various working environments. The M12 160 by 120 Thermal Imager is a cutting-edge tool designed for professional preventative maintenance and troubleshooting applications. The imager features a 160 by 120 pixel resolution, providing clear and detailed thermal images for precise analysis. In addition to thermal images, it includes a visual image to enhance understanding and comparison during inspections. Powered by an M12 red lithium rechargeable battery, the imager offers portability and ease of use. It comes with a hard carry case for secure storage and transportation. It is ideal for a range of professional uses and is particularly suited for tasks requiring thermal analysis, such as identifying temperature variations, inspecting electrical systems, and detecting potential issues in mechanical equipment. Next on our list is the M18 Fuel 15-gauge finish nailer. It redefines finishing work with its cutting-edge features. This cordless nailer offers the convenience of a pneumatic tool without the hassle of hoses and compressors. Powered by the red lithium battery system, it provides unparalleled portability and runtime. The nailer delivers a consistent driving force for precision in every finish application. Its 15-gauge magazine accommodates a variety of nail sizes, ensuring versatility for different projects. The tool-free depth adjustment allows for quick and easy modifications, which enhances efficiency on the job. The integrated RedLink Plus intelligence not only ensures the tool's longevity, but also promotes user safety. Designed with a no-mar tip, the finish nailer protects work surfaces from unintended marks. The dry-fire lockout feature prevents damage to the workpiece by indicating when it's time to reload, avoiding blank drives. Milwaukee Fluorescent Lamp and Ballast Tester Kit is a valuable tool for maintenance teams aiming to streamline their processes. Designed for both fluorescent lamps and ballasts, it allows users to troubleshoot issues efficiently. This tester is an essential tool for maintenance teams, offering a cost-effective solution to identify lamp and ballast problems, thereby cutting labor costs and increasing productivity. It ensures precise measurement, providing accurate readings for effective troubleshooting. Built with Milwaukee's reputation for durability, the tester is designed to withstand the demands of professional use. It provides an easy-to-use lamp, ballast, and pin test for 10x faster troubleshooting. The fluorescent lamp and ballast tester's small portable design makes it perfect for any professional electrician or maintenance technician. Brushless String Trimmer by Milwaukee is a powerful and versatile outdoor tool. The trimmer features a brushless motor, providing increased efficiency, longer runtime, and extended tool life compared to traditional brushed motors. Powered by Milwaukee's M18 red lithium batteries, this cordless string trimmer offers freedom of movement without the limitations of cords, making it suitable for a variety of outdoor applications. The tool-only option allows users who already have compatible batteries and chargers to expand their collection of Milwaukee tools without unnecessary duplicates. The brushless motor delivers reliable cutting performance, making it suitable for edging, trimming, and maintaining the edges of lawns and landscaping. The trimmer is part of the M18 system and ensures compatibility with other M18 tools and batteries, providing a seamless experience for users with existing Milwaukee equipment. M12. Brushless pruning shears are versatile and powerful tools designed for efficient pruning and cutting tasks in gardening and landscaping. Equipped with a brushless motor, these pruning shears deliver enhanced efficiency, longer runtime, and increased durability compared to traditional brushed motors. Operating on Milwaukee's M12 battery platform, these shears provide cordless freedom, allowing users to maneuver easily without the constraints of cords. The kit option includes the M12 brushless pruning shears, along with a 2.0 amp-hour battery and charger, providing a complete solution for users without existing M12 batteries. They offer a tool-only option too. Designed for precision, these shears are suitable for pruning branches, cutting stems, and shaping plants in a variety of gardening applications. Milwaukee's 9-inch Linemans pliers with crimper and bolt cutter are a robust and versatile tool designed for the demands of electrical work. The pliers feature a combination of essential functions, including a crimper and bolt cutter, making them a handy all-in-one solution for linemen. They serve multiple purposes, featuring a built-in crimper for wire termination and a bolt cutter for added utility in various applications. Crafted with durability in mind, these pliers are built to withstand the rigors of professional use. The hardened cutting edges ensure longevity and efficient cutting performance. The ergonomic design and comfortable grip enhance user comfort during prolonged use, providing a secure and controlled grip. These Linemans pliers are manufactured in the USA, reflecting Milwaukee's commitment to producing reliable tools. Whether you're working with wires, cables, or bolts, these Linemans pliers offer a convenient and durable solution, making them an essential tool for electricians and professionals in related fields. Milwaukee's 12-inch digital measuring wheel is a cutting-edge tool designed for precise and efficient measurements. Crafted for durability and ease of use, this measuring wheel stands out in the market. The digital display ensures precise measurements, providing accuracy for a variety of applications. Engineered for ease of use, the tool allows one-handed operation, enhancing user convenience and efficiency. Built with reinforced aluminum frames, the measuring wheel is designed for extreme durability, making it suitable for tough job site conditions. The design prioritizes user comfort with increased ergonomics, allowing for prolonged use without discomfort. The backlit display feature enhances visibility in various lighting conditions, ensuring readability in both bright and low light environments. The Cheeter aluminum adaptable pipe wrench by Milwaukee is a versatile tool designed for efficiency and adaptability in pipework. Crafted from lightweight yet durable aluminum, it is easy to handle while maintaining strength and longevity. The wrench is adaptable, with an adjustable head that allows it to grip pipes of various sizes, providing versatility in different applications. Its compact and portable design makes it convenient for both professional plumbers and DIY enthusiasts, ensuring ease of use in various work settings. It is designed to handle pipes within a specific size range, which makes it suitable for a variety of pipe-related tasks. The Cheeter aluminum adaptable pipe wrench offers a reliable and convenient solution for gripping and turning pipes with ease. The M18 cable stripper is a game changer in cable stripping, offering a safer and more efficient experience. Powered by the M18 battery system, the cable stripper provides the freedom to work without the constraints of cords, enhancing mobility on the job. With no exposed blades, the cable stripper ensures safer stripping, minimizing the risk of accidents and injuries during the operation. The tool is designed to streamline the cable stripping process, improving efficiency and reducing the time required for this task. Suitable for a range of cable sizes, the M18 cable stripper is a versatile solution for professionals working with various types of cables, available as a tool-only option, allowing users to leverage existing M18 batteries and chargers if they are already part of the Milwaukee tool ecosystem. The M18 Force Logic 6T utility crimpers and cutters represent a cutting-edge solution for professionals in the utility industry. These tools feature Force Logic technology, providing optimized performance for precise crimps and cuts. This versatile tool is capable of handling various tasks, from crimping to cutting. It is compatible with a range of interchangeable jaws, offering flexibility for different applications. Featuring a fully enclosed high-speed hydraulic pump, the crimpers and cutters deliver reliable and efficient performance. Equipped with a brushless motor, these tools provide durability and extended tool life. The inclusion of Red-Link electronics and red lithium batteries ensures optimal power management and longer run times. With the convenience of the M18 battery system, these tools offer cordless portability, allowing users to work with freedom and flexibility. The M18 Fuel Blower by Milwaukee Tool is a high-performance cordless handheld blower designed to tackle a variety of outdoor cleanup tasks with ease. The blower is equipped with a brushless motor, providing more power, longer runtime, and increased durability compared to traditional brushed motors. With a maximum airspeed of 120 mph and a maximum air volume of 450 cubic feet per minute, this blower delivers impressive blowing power for effective debris removal. The blower offers cordless freedom, eliminating the need for cumbersome cords and providing greater mobility. It is available both as a standalone tool and as part of a kit, offering flexibility for users who may already have compatible batteries and chargers. Whether you're clearing leaves from your yard, cleaning up a construction site, or maintaining outdoor spaces, this tool provides a convenient and powerful solution. Milwaukee's M18 Fuel braking die grinders are a game changer for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. These grinders are engineered with innovative features, offering exceptional performance and control. This model boasts variable speed control, allowing users to adapt to different applications. The braking feature enhances safety by quickly stopping the tool when needed. Compatible with one key, this die grinder wirelessly connects to a smartphone to track and manage the tool, providing users with visibility to where tools are across their network of jobs. These grinders display brushless motor technology for extended tool life and increased efficiency. Whether you choose the variable speed paddle switch model or the slide switch version, both provide reliable braking, ensuring precision in your grinding tasks. Their MX Fuel handheld core drill transforms the coring experience, offering unprecedented confidence and safety. Equipped with a patented clutch and auto-stop technology, it ensures maximum control, preventing over-rotation in case of binding during core drilling. The brushless motor delivers formidable power, enabling you to effortlessly core up to 6-inch holes in reinforced concrete. Red-Link Plus. Intelligence guarantees peak performance while safeguarding against overload, overheating, and over-discharge. With the option to wet or dry core, cordless operation powered by the MX Fuel Red Lithium Battery Pack, this diamond core drill offers unmatched versatility and reliability. Additionally, being one-key compatible allows you to track, manage, and secure your equipment using the industry's largest Bluetooth-registered trademark community tracking network. If your core drill is ever lost or stolen, you can prevent tampering with a remote lockout capability. So that was the list of the Milwaukee tools for beginners. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.